There you go. Poor Tony.
He dead now.
Yeah. Dad, do you know what?
Watch out.
Dad, do you know what? Dad, do you know what?
What?
Those pots are gonna fall off soon and it goes on the
On the highway?
Yeah.
All on it. Actually, I already got one done. I already did these. I already got the other one out. But I'll show you. This is what I grab at the market or a factory. Got some new tires in today. Got some. I'll show you the factory one, and I'll show you the aftermarket. So let me flip this camera. All right, so here's a factory headlight, and then got these cool headlights with the daylight. These are actually really, really bright, and then it actually goes with the body line of the truck, as if you can see. I don't know if you can see that. I thought that was pretty cool. And then the little turn signal lights, the factory one. And then I went with these LEDs. Just some, I mean, these ones ain't even no brand. I went with a more expensive one with these ones. Not this truck, but the other one. And I don't know. I put these in. They seem to work just as good. I'll show a little bit of that later. But it's got the little fan in it to keep it cool. But these don't even burn hot anyway, so this is just an extra precaution. And these are plug and play. No resistor needed or nothing. You know, so hook those up. I'm gonna hook these up. Like I said, I already did one. I couldn't wait. I wanted to see what it looked like. You know, this is pretty much the first, I guess, mod other than the bumper that is gonna be done. This motor will be taken out. We have no need for it, even though it's got low miles. It's got like 130,000 miles on it. So I don't know. I might keep it because Benny is a 4.3, and I use that for work. You know, rack the miles up on it. So I don't know. I may, but the goal is to V8 swap Benny too. So we'll do that. But I'm gonna go ahead, set the camera up, put these lights in. First, I'm gonna put this bulb in. It's just easier. They give you a couple more gaskets, just in case you need them. But yeah, so I'm gonna do that. This is how you know they're newer. Is the older style. This area is a whole lot smaller. So, see, and usually it's like about right here, and then it's way out here now. So it's way easier to put the headlight in, the head bulb. So it's got these little clips on the side right here. And I'll just that's pretty good. And then this right here, these two wires, positive, negative, I'm assuming, is for this LED strip. So yeah, got that bulb in there, pointing straight down. LED strip. Yep. So what I did on the other one that I installed, I hooked it up to the running lights and the turn signal, so it'll be on anytime the daylights is on. So pretty much when the truck is running, and then when you hit the turn signals, they'll go. You know, it'll click on. It'll go back and forth with the bottom one. So I'll show that, you know, a little bit later. I'm gonna go ahead and get this bulb popped in. So probably wire it up first. So stool here. I'm gonna go ahead and wire this up. This is boring. Anybody could do this. This is just little tips that I wanted to throw out there, but I'm gonna grab a couple of supplies, electrical tape and stuff, and I'll get back to y'all. I got both lights in. It's the only time you can really see these during the day, man, because or at least on camera, because at night, man, these things are so bright. Just the deal, and so it looks really good. Let me show you the lights. So, like I said, pretty much, I mean, I don't know if this is a brand or what, but I pay like $30. You know, it's better than any expensive headlights you would buy in the store. And then let me show you the turn signals. I wonder if the hazards will work. Let's see. Turn signals. All right, I'll turn the vehicle on. So see how it's flashing? I hooked them up like that. Let me turn the light off so you maybe can see. Yeah, so that's how I hooked them up. Give them a nice little modern look. And I'll give you a night comparison here in a minute when the sun goes down. But yeah. So mod one for, I ain't get a night view of this. It's real hard to get this, but that's only the LED strip right there. Man, I forget on the side here. But yeah, I don't know. I was trying to give you like a night version of it, but that's just the strip. But look, see the strip? Yeah. And like I said, that's literally just the strip. The LED strip. I wired it to the turn signals. So when you hit the turn signals, go off. They sequence. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool.